more news in with the Congress now urging the central government to act on Bangladesh unrest. Concerned over Hindus being targeted, says the Congress party. It's a statement by the Congress party on what the position of the Congress party is, as well as the violence and atrocities against Hindu minorities in Bangladesh is concerned. It says, and I'm going to read from that statement, the Indian National Congress expresses deep concern over the atmosphere of insecurity faced by religious minorities in Bangladesh. The arrest of the ISKCON saint is a recent example of this. INC hopes that the government of India will pressurize the government of Bangladesh to take necessary steps and ensure the safety of life and property of minorities. Congress also there now pressurizing the government. Mosmi, not just the Bharatiya Janata Party, but even the Congress now stepping in and saying that, listen, the central government has to do much more. Exercise pressure on Bangladesh because of the way Hindu minorities are suffering there.
Yeah, clearly, the Bangladesh issue has been a matter of discussion here in the House and the Congress, in fact, calling out for the central government to, in fact, take note. Clearly, earlier we spoke to TMC leader Subrata Roy, and he also said that it's wrong to blame and question the silence of Mamata Banerjee. In fact, it is time that central government should, in fact, take note, and India should take it up with its Bangladesh counterpart. And clearly, this was unwarranted, that, there were atrocities on the minority Hindu community continuing in Bangladesh unabated, and India has not been able to exert enough influence as far as stopping all this is concerned.
Right, I'm going to leave it at that. Mosmi Singh getting asked those details. And we're staying with Bangladesh. Tensions remain high here as thousands of Hindus protested against the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishnadas. Protesters clashed with security forces in Chittagong, demanding the monk's release after he was denied bail, with police yet to disclose the charges against him. This incident has sparked widespread outrage, with ISKCON condemning the persecution of Hindus and calling for justice for Chinmoy Krishnadas. India has voiced its concerns, condemning the violence, urging Bangladesh to ensure safety of the minorities. Meanwhile, Kolkata witnessed large-scale protests as the Hindu community gathered to decry the alleged atrocities faced by minorities in Bangladesh under the Yunus government.
भारत सरकार से मांग करती है कि तत्काल सैन्य कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और अभी संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ में विरोध दर्ज करा करके कड़ा प्रतिरोध कि बांग्लादेश के अंदर हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार, क्योंकि बांग्लादेश हो या पाकिस्तान हो, ये हिंदुस्तान से टूट करके बने हुए हिस्से हैं। इसलिए स्वाभाविक तौर से, प्राकृतिक तौर से हमारा यह अधिकार है कि हम ऐसी मांग करें।
पहले मंदिरों पर हमला हुआ, फिर अब ये हुआ है, तो इस हमारी सरकार को भी और इंटरनेशनल दूसरे लोगों को भी इस बात के लिए बहुत ठोस कदम उठाने चाहिए कि जो भी हिंदूज हैं वहाँ वो सेफ फील करें, और अगर वो सेफ फील नहीं फिर भी नहीं कर पाते हैं तो उनके लिए दूसरी व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए, या तो उनको यहाँ देश वापस लाया जाए।
Bangladesh freedom was at the cost of Indian sacrifice, Indian army sacrifices. And we are taking care of the minority situation entirely different. My only concern is when something happens in Palestine and something happens in any kind of Arab, any situation in Arab world, the entire one ecosystem very strongly will be in support of it. How come something happens to Hindus elsewhere in other than India? How come nobody responds within the Hindu community also?